What really happened during the Titanic's final hours? On the night of April 14th, 1912, the world's largest luxury ship was sailing across the icy North Atlantic. At 11:40 p.m., lookouts spotted an iceberg directly ahead. The crew turned the ship, but it was already too late. The iceberg scraped along the side of the Titanic, tearing open several compartments below the waterline. At first, many passengers didn't even realize anything was wrong. Some continued eating, chatting, and listening to live music. But deep inside the ship, freezing seawater was rising fast. Within minutes, the captain learned a terrible truth. The Titanic could not be saved. As lifeboats were lowered, there weren't enough seats for everyone on board. Panic slowly replaced hope as the giant ship tilted higher into the freezing ocean. Then, in the early hours of April 15th, 1912, the Titanic broke apart and disappeared beneath the Atlantic. More than 1,500 people lost their lives, making it one of history's deadliest peacetime maritime disasters. The sinking of the Titanic changed international maritime safety forever, and more than a century later, its final hours continue to fascinate the world. Follow for more real history and science stories.